reflection, which would be the last one, we want to see what happens to the size of the object when it's reflected through the mirror line, and we want to see what happens to the length of sides when it's reflected through the mirror line, and we want to see what happens to the angles. If you wanted to make a prediction, you'd say that they all stay the same when it's reflected through the mirror line, no matter where your mirror line is. So I'm just going to label this as the object first. And now I'm going to reflect this object through the mirror line. I'm going to highlight it, go here to reflect through a line. I'm going to click on the, and you can see the shape is reflected, and E becomes E dash, D becomes D dash, and all the other points that we've mentioned here would stay the same. But now I'm going to measure first A to B, and you can see that that stays as 1. So AB is equal to 1, A dash B is equal to 1. I can then go and click on B dash C, and you can see that's equal to 4, and BC is equal to 4. I can do the same for C and D. We can see that's 3, and C and D is 3. So the length of all the sides stays the same. So what happens to the angles? I suppose we should just finish off with AF as I've got it there. And we can see that AF is 3, and A dash F dash, the line going from there to there, is also 3. So now let's look at the angles. Let's measure some of these angles. So the angle we've got here is CBA. So if I go CB dash A, I just have to go the other way. I'll do that. Just get rid of this. I'll go the other way here. I'll measure the angle. And you can see that's 90 degrees, which it was on the other side. And we'll do this one down in the bottom corner here. And you can see the angle B dash C dash D dash is also 90 degrees, as is the angle BCD there. So all angles stay the same, all lengths of sides stay the same, and actually all the areas stay the same. The area of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So area, length of sides, angles all stay the same under reflection through a mirror line.